If you want to transform your videos from an amateur level to a pro-looking creator, even if you shoot with a webcam, smartphone or mirrorless camera, you need to use these tricks. Yes, you can look more professional with any kind of recording setup if you follow these simple steps. I have been creating YouTube videos for over 10 years on various channels and for clients, and I have tested a tremendous number of setups and improvements. For talking head videos, educational videos, courses, streaming, online calls or coaching calls, these tricks are the best. The first aspect you need to take care of, no matter what setup you use, is to have the right angle for your shot. Look at this wrong camera angle. I see this all the time on Zoom, Skype calls. People are using the webcam on their laptops, and this disastrous framing is the easiest to achieve. If you want to instantly look more professional and look like someone who cares about the look and the image that he has online, place the camera at your eye level. It's much simpler and cheaper than you think. Look at this. I will use a simple laptop stand that fits in any bag and elevate my laptop to have the camera at my eye level for a video call. Or for my webcam, I use a simple, small, lightweight mini tripod. This will also work with a mirrorless camera. You don't need to look down at your audience or have the camera positioned in a way that makes you look up. Keep the camera at the eye level. And after you have the camera at the right level, imagine you split the image into 3 horizontal areas. Adjust the shot to have the eyes on the first line from the top. Maybe it's not perfect all the time, but try to keep your eyes at this level. Also, keep a small space above your head and don't cut your hair or lower your eye level too much. Just by correcting this aspect, your videos will look much better. It's a huge difference. And if you need help, I will add affiliate links in the description for accessories that will help you position all type of cameras the right way. If you click on my links, you're not going to pay anything extra, but I will earn a small commission, and this will help me keep sponsors away from this channel and create more valuable content for you. Thank you. You will find accessories like the mini tripod. This is the VT20 from SmallRig. Easy to use, solid, adjustable, perfect for desk use, and you can also travel with it easily because you can make it super small. Also, I will add some phone holders with cold shoe mounts on top and mounting threads if you want to attach more to them, or my laptop stand that will fit in any bag easily. All these accessories are affordable, but the difference made by the right camera position is huge. The next important secret to look more professional instantly is to take advantage of the light that exists in the room. If you have a normal light bulb on the ceiling in the middle of your room, don't use it. Most of the time it will look like this. The light is behind you, lighting the background, not you, and it's coming from the top, creating hard, ugly shadows. If you shoot during the day, you can simply take advantage of the natural light. Simply drag the curtain, but be careful, there is a trick. If you have a window in front of you, that's great because it will light you up. But never position yourself in front of the window shooting against the light. The light coming from the window should light you up. You need to face the window. And if you have, like me, a window on a side, watch this. I can drag the curtain on the side that's behind me, and that's a mistake. It will light up the background, not me. But if I close the curtain behind me and open it on my side, it will light me up, and also the wall in front of me bouncing a diffused light. Like this, I will have a darker background and I will be lit up nicely. Of course, because the window is on my side, half of the face will be darker, and here you need a light to compensate if you can't rotate your position more towards the window. But never stay in front of the window to shoot against the light. Find the right angle to take advantage of the natural light. And if you find this video useful until now, don't forget to press the like button and maybe consider subscribing. Thank you. And if you shoot in a room without natural light, or you don't like it because you can't control it, or you shoot at night, you need some video lights. Natural light is super nice, but if you shoot for 30 minutes or 1 hour or more, the light can change a lot. Now, it can be cloudy in 10 minutes, it can be sunny. Most of the time, it's hard to shoot a long video with natural light and have a constant image. There are a gazillion models of great video lights out there. I like to use some affordable and professional ones, Godox ES45s. Easy to operate, powerful enough for talking head videos. The light is excellent, comes with a stand that can be attached to the desk and save space, affordable and easy to control with the included remotes, and these are also deadly silent, not having fans inside. I will also add affiliate links in the description to check them out. But here is again the most important part. Learn how to position them. Keep them in front of you at a 45-degree angle, coming a little from the top. What I recommend is to bounce the light from a wall in front of you to have the light super diffused and soft. Like this, you will avoid all the hard shadows and the reflections if you wear glasses. This will work only if you have a white or light gray wall in front of you. If you don't have it, you can use a photo white diffuser and bounce the light from that diffuser. Look at this classic online call. The camera position is bad and the light is also useless. Just by simply positioning the laptop right and some help from a video light, the entire video looks much more professional. Now let's take care of the most important step. The most annoying aspect that will make your audience leave the video immediately is the bad audio quality. This is the most annoying aspect. Solve this and your videos will really be at another level. Even if you use just your laptop with your headphones or have a small USB microphone or have a better setup, keep the microphone as close as possible to your mouth. If you use your headphones, keep the microphone close to your mouth and try not to hit it or touch it. Keep it at a constant distance from your mouth in a fixed position without blowing into it or touching it. If you have an affordable USB microphone like this small one from Rode, it will be much better than the headphones mic. Keep it close to your mouth at a 45-degree angle, not to blow into it, and don't touch it. Of course, if you really want to create better videos and you record at home having a fixed setup, I recommend investing in some professional audio equipment. It's not that expensive and it's worth every dollar. This audio right now is recorded with my favorite microphone, the 8875R from Audio-Technica, and the audio interface Focusrite Scarlett Solo 4th generation, plus a microphone stand. I will also add affiliate links in the description. The audio quality will be transformed instantly with a setup like this for any kind of video production, live or recorded. We started here, and now just by changing the camera angle to the right position, using the headphones microphone right, and taking advantage of the light, we have a big improvement. And with a minimum investment in a great audio setup and some great lights plus a mini tripod, our videos will be totally transformed. Position your camera right, use the light properly, and never neglect the audio quality. Your audience will be impressed. But listen carefully, you can have the best image, the best lights, and still create videos that people won't want to watch. If you want the final tricks to make the audience want to watch your videos, to like and appreciate you, I will give you a dedicated video with the best tested tricks that can be immediately applicable by any beginner. Combining the video quality with these tricks will transform your video creation instantly.